Hi guys, welcome to Twin Foodies 24. Hope you all are doing good. So this video is regarding our hair care routine. So I used to get a lot of DMs and PMs regarding our hair care routine. Our friends used to ask, how come you do a lot of styling to your hair, sometimes straightening, sometimes curling. So how do you both manage to maintain your hair so well? It's so shiny, thick and long. So we just thought of making this video. Hope this will be very helpful for you. So here is a solution for you all who are struggling with your hair problems, hair fall and all. So keep watching. So today we are going to tell you all about our hair care secret, that is the hair care routine we are following from past 20 years. So we were introduced to Emami products by your mom. So she used to like these Emami products a lot. She used to apply Emami products herself, and so the Emami products not only keeps your hair healthy and strong from inside, but also it looks so natural and so good. So they are a very good fix for your hair care problems. So coming to day care, that is while I step out, I apply this one to my hair. That is Emami 7 oils in one, non-sticky hair oil. Strong inside, set outside. People who walk out of the home, they don't have much time to take care of their hair. So in the busy schedule, if you are looking for a fix, then this is really going to help you all. So this oil is very beneficial for you all who are going to work outside or going out for shopping, because it doesn't look like you have applied some hair oil to your hair. It looks so natural and it is so light and it makes your hair so shiny. So as it says, it has 7 oils, that is almond oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, walnut oil, argan oil and amla oil. So all these 7 oils, with the goodness of all these 7 oils, so it's going to nourish your hair. So it comes around 120 rupees, and that's really quite affordable, and it makes your hair 20 times stronger than before. So you got to try this. So just take a small quantity of this oil with your palm and then dab it and apply it from the roots to tips of your hair like this, and you're ready to go. So it's so easy to use and it gives a really beautiful shiny look to your hair. So this is like a personal hairstyler for me. So it's really awesome. So you can see the look. So it looks really gorgeous, isn't that? So I used to get a lot of DMs regarding my skincare routine and hair care routine. So here is the secret. We have been using this Emami products from the past 20 years. This is Emami Boro Plus body lotion and I have been using this since long. It really helps your skin moisturize for 24 hours. It's made up of milk and saffron. It's written here Doodh Kesar body lotion. You will get it at around 95 rupees, and guess what? Along with this, you will get a mini bottle of Boro Plus body lotion absolutely free. So it's really great. It's written here, it gives you 24 hours moisturization and it nourishes your skin, and also you will get a radiant skin. So you can apply this regularly for soft and glowing skin. And many of you have always messaged about your hair fall problems, dandruff problems. So here is a solution for that. You can use this Kesh King. It's 100% Ayurvedic oil, and I have been using this since long and it has done wonders for my hair. And as you can see, my hair fall has been reduced. Actually it's completely stopped. So I really recommend you this. It's an amazing product from Emami. It's really natural and Ayurvedic, and this will really make your hair soft and silky. As you can see the result. I got to know about this product some 3 years ago, I started using it and really it has done wonders to my hair. Within few weeks of applying this, I started seeing the results. My hair fall completely stopped and new hair started growing. This really does wonders to your hair. You need to apply this to your scalp and you can use this twice a week. I would recommend you to use this twice a week for better results. And within few weeks you can see the results. I am quite sure about that. So after 1 hour of applying your hair oil, you can use the shampoo to wash your hair. So it is the Kesh King scalp and hair medicine. So it's an anti-hair fall shampoo. So it comes around 120 rupees again. So it's very affordable. It has aloe vera and 21 Ayurvedic herbs, and it promises you that there will be 80% less hair fall. So I would definitely recommend this shampoo because it's doing miracles to my hair. So do use this along with the Emami products for best results. Not only that, it makes your hair silky, shiny and smooth after just one use. So just trust me, I have used it and I would recommend you all to use this product. And if you have dry skin or cracked skin, I would recommend you to use this. This is Boro Plus Antiseptic Cream. It's 100% Ayurvedic and it gives you 24-hour moisturization. It really helps your skin moisturize for so long. Trust me, this does miracles to your skin. You can apply it over the face, hands and body. And I would like to introduce you to the most trending product that we all are using these days. That is the Boro Plus Sanitizer. It's like alcohol based with neem and tulsi extract. I'd recommend you to use this because it kills 99.99% germs and it's alcohol based. What more do you want? So these are the other variants of Emami products that we are using since so long time. So they are really trusted and very safe to use. So we are using Emami products from past so long and we would like to recommend it to everyone. So go for Emami products. They are very natural and they are herbal. So 100% safe. So we would definitely recommend you all the Emami products because of the genuinity in the product and also it's 100% Ayurvedic and natural. So go for it. So we are pretty sure that you are going to thank us after using Emami products. Please share your honest reviews to us. You can either DM us or you can send personal messages. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.